explored AI tools or automations before, or is this your first time considering them?
I have a basic idea of AI and automation. I have never tried and tested out.
Thanks for sharing. One last quick question. Would you be interested in saving time, automating tasks, and growing your business using AI powered systems?
Yes, definitely. I would be interested on that. Let me be very upfront. I'm not tech savvy, and neither I have huge amount of team agents are over there.
I completely understand. And that's actually where Shruti's 1-1 AI automation strategy call can help the most. The session is designed to be simple and practical, tailored to your level of tech, comfort, and your current team size. For
But
just
can you tell me more about
999
Shruti?
rupees. Certainly, Shruti Singh is an expert in AI agents and automations who help business owners like you leverage AI technology to simplify and grow their operation. In the 999 rupees 1-1 AI automation strategy call, Shruti will understand your unique business needs.
Do
and
you guys have
challenges,
some
show you
testimonials
practical
as
AI.
well?
Absolutely. Many of Shruti's clients have seen great results from her AI automation strategy call. Here are a few highlights. Shruti's guidance helped me automate my customer support, saving me hours every week. I was new to AI.
I'm sorry to
but
interrupt. What is your name?
I'm your AI assistant calling on behalf of Shruti Singh. You can just call me your virtual assistant for this call.
Okay,
How can I
thank you.
assist you further? You're very welcome. If you decide to book the 999 rupees 1-1 AI automation strategy call with Shruti, just let me know. I'm here to help you secure your spot.
I
Have a
don't think
wonderful
I
day.
would be able to do that.
I completely understand. It can feel like a big step, especially if you're not very tech savvy or have a busy schedule. Just to remind you, this session is designed to be simple and fun.
So that was a quick demo of how you can use your AI agent. So this was an agent which I created under a minute and no codes. When I say no code, totally believe me, there are no code available. There are no coding done in this total designing of this to whole platform and everything. Again, I have created this prompt from GPT and copy pasted it from. I've just juggled the instruction from here and there, and I've given my knowledge base. This was a very basic and generic agent. Again, as I've created in a very quick time, you can create it for yourself. You can create it for your clients. You can providing it as a SaaS project, and you can run it as a SaaS project. Again, it's totally depends on your creativity and your use cases, what and how you can do that. And in this particular video, we are going to be understanding and learning how you can do this for yourself. And the most important thing, most important thing, because I have myself struggled a lot, and recently I have got to know that Indian numbers have so many restrictions under the TRI Act, and that is why it is not so easy to actually have an Indian number. So when you are designing this for your Indian client or even for yourself, and all customers are based out in India, and obviously all of us prefer having an Indian phone number, right? So that is why I stumbled upon this particular tool, which not just actually helped me creating an AI agent, is also using the ChatGPT 4o model, which is the latest model, and it is also providing us the Indian number right from this platform. Usually, what happens is when I have designed agents from like Retail AI or Vapi AI, you have already, if you have heard name of these tools, create you agents. These tools are good for creating agents, but when the challenge is when you are on the final step of actually deploying your agent into the market and you are looking for an Indian number specifically. If you are looking for any other country's number, you won't have that much of hard time. But when you're looking specifically for Indian number, my god, it is going to be a challenge. I think I have spoken to Exotel, I have spoken to Zaderma, I have spoken to Twilio, I have spoken to I don't even remember. I've done a lot. What you take a name, and I've spoken to a lot of them just for getting an Indian number. But this tool solves the whole problem, and that is why I'm here to share with you guys that how you can do that in real quick time without actually spending amount of money, and even you can do this all everything integrated under one tool. That is the best thing I liked about it. And obviously, since I came onto this tool for an Indian number, but I totally shifted on this LLM because you can count it as a shortcoming or whatever. This tool has a restriction that you have to design the agent in this tool itself. Like for Retail API, Retail AI, and Vapi AI, you can actually design the agent in their tool, but you'll have to integrate the phone number from any XYZ number. You can also use your SIPs and everything. If you're not aware of SIPs and like Vodafone and Idea, we have, I Vodafone, Idea, Geo, whatever number you have, you will have to contact your network provider, and they'll be providing you an SIP. After multiple and thousands of business verification, they'll be providing you an SIP, and that too is not easy to get. But coming back to the, not taking much of your time, I'll just switch back to this tool and I'll demonstrate how you can create an agent just like this for yourself. You can use it for lead qualification, you can use it for sales closing, you can use it for reminder calls. Again, the creativity is up to you. I am just here to show you the possibility here in this AI industry. So let's just quickly switch back to the agent. So this is the agent which you just saw, where the demonstration I gave you, and you can see over here I have given it instruction and agent prompt. This prompt was generated from ChatGPT, and this prompt into the description box for you guys to copy from, and you can see what is it about. And let me just give you a quick walkthrough of this prompt, because the prompt is the main game. You can set up the agent in just fraction of seconds, but the prompt, if the prompt is not correct, you won't be able to do that. Okay, one quick thing, what is the knowledge base is that you'll have, when you are designing your agent, you give them a knowledge base, right? Knowledge base is something I can put all the details of my offers in a PDF, and I can upload it over here under a PDF format. Right now this tool has got the knowledge base, but it is not available for agents to use. I spoke to them, they are getting rolled out this particular function very soon. But for now, what we can do is we can put all the knowledge base in text format over here. So whatever details of your offer you have, or whatever lead qualifications, or whatever details you want to have in the document, or even if you have a website, you can download, you can scrape the website and you can put it in text format over here so that the agent can refer from. So this is the prompt, and you can see the role. I have defined a role: you are a friendly, persuasive and knowledgeable AI. You can see over here a prompt for Bolna AI. I have created it whole from ChatGPT, and I pasted as it is. Although this should not have been here, this thing should not be here. So it should straight away begin from the role, the opening. Hello, this is agent name, and you can again name it whatever you want. You can again clone your voice. You'll have to use 11 labs for cloning your voice. The more customization you do, pricing will increase. So make sure you go through the pricing as well. You can name your agent whatever you mention. It will be using the same prompt for your customers reference. And you can see you had shown interest in learning about AI automation. How can I help you? Questions: you are currently running a business. These 3 questions. So if you remember, quickly recap to the demonstration call I gave you. It actually came to the 3rd question and actually said, okay, last final quick question, would you be interested in saving time and everything? It just asked those questions, right? So again, the prompt was given at the backend. That is why it has been able to use it live in the sales feed. And you can see pitch and close. So it is again providing, you do in the sales call, it has been providing. That's all I think prompt should be for the demonstration of the prompt. So for setting up your own agent, I have given you a walkthrough of my agent and how you can set up your own agent. So let me just click on add agent, and for what agent you are building the agent for, you can do that. They have pre-built templates as well, you can check those as well. But right now I'll show you how you can create it from the scratch. Use cases like customer service or front desk receptionist. If you have anything like this, you can use this. You can click on make outgoing calls. Best thing about this tool, which I liked, is one single number can do inbound and outbound call both. So when you are creating your agents on Retail AI or Vapi or anything, you have to create inbound and outbound flows differently. But here you just have to switch to inbound and outbound, and you can use a single number for doing all the things. And as I mentioned, I'll be creating from the scratch for you guys to demonstrate, and I'll just click on create new agent, and this is something it will open up. Okay, so here it is mentioning about the welcome message. Let me just rename it to Shruti team. The welcome message, when you answer the call, what do you want the agent to say? Like, hello, this side Shruti, or hello, this side Ravi, whatever you want. This is the prompt which we have given. Hello from Shruti's team. Okay, now the second thing over here which we need to set up is the agent prompt, and for that let me just quickly get you back to the chat. So give me prompt to put in Bolna.ai voice calling AI agent platform which is capable of qualifying deals and closing deals live on call. This agent will be used for closing for my one-on-one session with Shruti Singh. My topic is AI agent and automation. The lead should be qualified for this. I am charging 999 rupees for this call. Again, you can iterate the prompt. I've given you an example how you can actually write the prompt to GPT, and GPT will actually give you the prompt based on the description you have given. So the better the description you provide, the better the prompt will come out. Okay, this is the prompt which it has given us, and let me just quickly copy this come back to my Bolna AI. So I've copied the prompt from there and I'll just paste it over here. So I'm just doing this for demonstration. You are doing this for your own self and for you are gonna use it in real life use cases. Make sure you go through the prompt because there is high possibility you want to change few of the things in this particular thing. For example, this thing should not be here as already demonstrated earlier. Like if you want to change a few things, close the booking on the same call, whatever you want to change. Agent Shruti calling on behalf of Shruti saying whatever qualification questions if you want to add more qualifying questions. For example, do you have recurring income of 10 lakhs revenue? I'm just giving you examples how you have to change the prompt as per your cases and requirements. You have to keep on doing this. If they respond positively to at least two of three, if you want all three to be checked or proceed to pitch, otherwise thank them for their time. If you want to change anything, you can do it. So that is why I'm mentioning if you are doing it for real life use cases, make sure you go through the prompt and you change where it is required. You should not be just copy and pasting it over here just like that. Once done, the next thing is LLM. LLM is what brain you are gonna be using it. So as I mentioned, it is using 4.1, which is the latest model. What does temperature means? Temperature means how much creative you want the agent to be when they are calling the leads. Okay, the more you increase the temperature, it will be more creative. The lesser the temperature, it will be less creative and more sticking towards the prompt that you have provided. So I would suggest to keep it to default because it has been kept to default because of some certain reasons. And by testing multiple tools and everything, I've understood tool has its own default temperature and everything. It should be remain to that. Once you have tried and tested and you have got records, then only increase or decrease these things. Else don't do any kind of things over here. You can do for testing, but I won't suggest to do anything over here. Then the transcriber, these things is not required over here. The voice, now the voice is the main thing. If you want a female voice, you can see over here it is providing voice from Rhyme, Poly, Servam, 11 Labs, Azort's smallest 11 labs on the go. I'll be using, if you want to use an Indian male, here it is Vikram. You can use more voices as well. You can click over here, you can use more voices, whatever it is provided in there, because the more customization you do, the more increase in the pricing comes. Okay, if you are open to that, please do go try and test multiple voices. But once you have selected your voice and you can click on this, so you can see it is speaking right the welcome message. And these are the TTS model. If I change this, you won't get to see me,
Hello from his team.
but
Shruti
pitch and everything just changes. So whichever you find perfect, just go ahead with it. Okay,
his team.
to the default and the call section, telephony provider and everything you can choose over here. From here again, you can also buy Indian number from here. I'll show you how you can buy an Indian number. Call hanging up, the call ends after 300 seconds of the call. If you want to increase after 300 seconds, it will end the call, right? The call hang up message. So if you want your agent to hang up the call and it requires to provide a certain message, you can type that message like thanks for your time and I'm gonna be calling this call off. And that's how if you want to put that message, you can put that over here. Then there are multiple tools over here. You can use it to for booking your appointments directly. You can integrate it to cal.com and you can directly book appointments into your cal.com. Cal.com is a meeting scheduling tool from where you can do that. You can transfer the call to a human agent. You will have to do that. Click here and you have to provide the number where you have to update the human agent and everything. And you can also create your custom function and everything. But for now, I'll just keep it to a simple tool. Okay, again, these tools, whichever tools you feel stuck about it, they have a very great customer support. And you can obviously click on this. If you are facing any, you are unable to do that, you can just simply click on this message button and you can drop it to them and they are going to be helping it out, because I have done the same and that's how I got to know a lot of things about this. And these are few analytics and inbound call settings and everything. You can check that and it is nothing much tricky to do. And as I've been suggesting, keep everything to the default, test and then try to figure it out. Now you can do an outbound call and everything. Just create agent, click on create agent. So it will take a little time for creating agent. You will see it's here, and when you click on get call from agent, my number is already updated over here. You will have to update your number and click on place call. And as soon as I click on place call, you will see I started to phone call from them. Okay, so it is that simple. You're seeing an international number is because I have not bought and integrated the number. So I'll show you how you can buy an Indian number from here. You can click on my numbers over here, and what you'll do is buy phone number, and here you select whichever country's phone number you require. You click on this. For example, I want Indian number, so I have selected Indian. If you have any specific pattern, like if I want 911 in my number, in my number, I can click on this and I'll see if that number is not available, and let's see 912 is available or not. I'll just click on search. If you have certain pattern, you can just put that and search for it. If it is available, it will show. If it is not available, it won't show, as it did not show. So you can see there are multiple Indian numbers. So whichever number you find is okay for you to go ahead, you can select that number and you can purchase the number at just $5 a month. I've already purchased a number, and that's how I have been able to do callings and everything. That's how simple it is, and this knowledge base is still under the development process. As I mentioned, for now, create your knowledge base in text format and you can update it in the agent setup prompt, and you can put all the details in the text format over here. And once the knowledge base section is already up and running, you can keep following customer support that when this will be able, because this is under the beta process, which is under the testing process. That is why it is not enabled over here. Once it is enabled, you will be able to see the knowledge base over here itself. That is how the other tools also work. And if you want to do some batch calling, you can simply upload your Excel sheet over here and it will do a batch calling, like bulk calling all at once. Let me see. Voice Lab is something you can import voices. The more customization, the more charges will be done. And here you can also create API keys. So creating API keys, you can integrate it to Pabbly, Zapier, Anytend.io. You can do real-time calling by using these API keys. And if you are unable to do that, again reach back to their customer support and they'll help you to doing the setup and everything. Their customer support, I would say, is a very much recommendable. So basically, summarizing this whole video, I would say, as I mentioned, I've tried and tested a lot of tools, but this tool has given me solution to all my problems. I came here for an Indian number, but I am here for not just an Indian number, but the agent setup is very simple. Real-time calling facility is also available, which is still not available at a tool like Vapi.ai. It is still under testing process. The only shortcoming over here is that they don't have the knowledge base over here integrated, but then we have an alternative. You can put the text format in the prompt itself and it will then generate all the knowledge base from there itself. It has 11 labs integrated. You can clone your voice in 11 labs and it will show over here. You can use your own voice for calling and everything. The future is vast. The possibilities are vast. There's a lot of probability to do through this tool. It totally depends on you what you want to. So that's all about it in this particular video, and I hope you have been able, if you have been following with me throughout this video, you have already set up your first test agent, and again you can iterate it and you can give better offer to your agent. You can give better knowledge base to your agent so that it can actually do the live sales call, or maybe a lead qualification, or maybe even reminder calls. Whatever use cases you have, you can do that by just following the steps which I've just demonstrated. That's all about it. Let me know into the comment section about your suggestions and your results after using this AI tool, and let me know if you have any query. You can put that in the comment section, and all the resources will be there in the description box. And let me know how fruitful you have found this tool, and give this tool to your clients as well. You can automate their processes as well. And again, the use cases are multiple. It totally depends on your creativity and everything. How do you want to use it? And that's all about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.